Hello everyone, my name is Sujatrai and I have my friend Sonomachu, and together we will be presenting on a component of the electronic device, that is the microcontroller. So to start off with the presentation, I'll be talking about what a microcontroller is. Microcontroller is nothing but it is a component, or it is a chip which contains one or more CPUs, that is the processor cores, and along with the memory and programmable input or the output peripherals. And the microcontroller can also be defined as an embedded computer chip that controls most of the electronic gadgets and appliances that we use in our day-to-day life, and that are it is also seen in the machines like the washing machines and the anti-clock brakes in the cars. A microcontroller contains a microprocessor. Not only microprocessor, it also contains the components such as the memory, an analog to digital converter, digital to analog converter, and parallel input or output interface, and serial input or output interface. Working of the microcontrollers. And the microcontrollers, as mentioned before, microcontrollers are embedded inside the devices to control the device. Thus, it is also known as the embedded controllers. And this component, that is the microcontrollers, runs one specific program and are dedicated to one single task. And this is the definition of the microcontrollers. And to talk about the working of the microcontrollers, so here it goes. So when the power supply is turned or switched on, the crystal oscillator triggers the clock pulses and generates the frequency. Then after some time, the oscillator gets stabilized, and now the microcontroller starts to work. And it all starts from the program counter PC, where it is stored in the ROM. ROM stands for the read-only memory, and this PC stores the address of the next instruction to be executed and performs the instruction from start address of the program counter, and then finally this address or the address is sent to the instruction coder, which will now understand and complete the whole instruction. And this is how the microcontroller works.
To continue with presentation, I will be talking on application of microcontroller. Microcontroller is an important component in any kind of electronic devices, as it controls the functioning of all these electronic devices. Thus, the microcontroller is used in various applications or in various fields such as medical applications, automation systems, wireless communications, and control systems. The microcontroller is even being used in various applications such as in a smart greenhouse, gas leakage system, and many more. Evolution of microcontroller. During 1970 and 1971, Intel worked on inventing the world's first microprocessor, and Gary Vaughan of Texas Instruments worked on similar concept and invented the microcontroller. Therefore, we know that Gary Vaughan designed the single-chip microcontroller. To conclude with our presentation, microcontroller has become a part of our day-to-day life, where it is seen in every electronic gadgets, which helps in performance of the device, and likewise many applications have developed in recent years using the microcontroller. The microcontroller, being user-friendly and low-cost, it can be used in smart house applications, and it can also be used in industrial applications, which helps us to realize how easily a work can be done and save time.